guys. Can you hear me? Yeah. I'm Good Karma, if you guys have heard about me or eSteem. How many of you use eSteem or used in the past? All right, quite many. All right. What's eSteem? eSteem is for those of people who is new watching live stream. eSteem was the first mobile application built on top of Steam, and we started out with only mobile application, which is doing basically everything what you do on Steemit and just adding extra like push notifications and other things. And then we had to like improve applications throughout the years, and what we're doing right now with the eSteem mobile app is to improve it and bring the version 2 for you guys. And this is how it looked like in the past. Very basic. It wasn't visually appealing, but it was doing the basic functionality and what user wanted. And now we're shifting towards much more appealing user interface where you can feel that you're not relying on blockchain or anything. It can compete with traditional mobile applications or social networks. And I have a few screens how it might look like. We are really close for the alpha release. We're targeting by end of this month. We will have a mobile version 2, which will have all the functionality which we had before, and on top of that, we will add extra features like which we were working on in the behind the scenes, like enhanced search engine and how to explore other or discover other users which might interest you, just like Steve Apps is doing. We working also to improve your social connectivity, like you stay connected with the users and explore and discover new users. And few more screens. Also the security will be similar like old eSteem version. We are mainly focusing on the performance as well as the security of your wallet, because it is also your wallet which you should really worry about, because once you earn, everything is in your mobile and you have to be cautious that your phone doesn't get stolen or it doesn't get hacked or you don't lose the fund. And okay, let's see. These are some of the screenshots. These are really the mock-ups, and this will look exactly like this in a mobile app. We have a mobile team in the background. They're sitting there, and they're doing great job. They're almost finishing up the version 2. And this is how it looks like. We have a totally new look in all our products. We have a mobile as well as a Surfer, which is a desktop application for Windows, Linux, and Mac. And they both will have a similar user interface. This is how it looked like, Surfer Legacy version 1. And this is how it will be transitioning into the new look, which is already released this morning. If you check eSteem app or Good Karma feed, you can see release notes, and it's already out, alpha version of desktop application, which will look exactly like this. And what we're doing with the desktop application is that we're allowing user to stay offline, or at the same time not rely on any domains or then DNS, which might get hacked or man-in-the-middle attacks. So it's safe to say that you can at any point stay connected to the Steam. You don't have to rely on one domain or one website. And desktop applications also secure and much more faster than the web applications, because they use the hardware, they utilize hardware much better. And like I mentioned, alpha release of version 2 is already out. If you guys want to check out, please do and give your feedback. We are around here throughout the conference. And let's see what we had. Few more screenshots, how it looks like your wallet. We have exchange rates, and on top of that, what we're also working on behind the scene is to, you guys have heard about HiveMind, right? Where the communities will be implemented on top of HiveMind. And what we're doing behind the scenes is exploring the HiveMind and we will have communities. This is how communities page will look like. It's still a work in progress, and we're exploring how HiveMind is extendable, how we can extend it, how we can improve the source code of the HiveMind. And let's see. One of the example of how we used HiveMind is the search engine. We built the search engine on top of HiveMind. It utilizes HiveMind database, but it has the external kind of plugin. We built it and open sourced it 2 days ago. You can also check Good Karma or eSteem app feed. You can find and read about this. This is a search engine built on top of Steam, and only Steam posts are indexed. And so you can, anything you search, any keyword or anything you search will give you best result according to these keywords, and it's extendable and it's open source. You can build your own search engine and add it to your app, or you can, in future we're planning to have developer connection, like developer guidelines, how you can connect to our server and use our search engine on top of your app. Which it will give much more kind of incentive and feedback for us to see how users using, how developers integrating. And yeah, another product which we are working, also planning to work, let's see, eSteem X. We are working on eSteem X, which will be the exchange. You guys know by the end of March or April we're supposed to have SMTs. If everything goes as planned, we're planning to release eSteem X, which will be SMT exchange on top of Steam, which is Steam to SMT, so any token to SMT. And this will be also like desktop application. We at first thought about building web app also. So we will see how the community reacts, and please reach us and give feedback what you prefer. Is it desktop or mobile or web? And we are already in process of working the backend and everything to make it ready as soon as SMTs are out. And yeah, this is how it will look like. Just like every other exchange on a market, you can see, like, you can relate to any exchanges. It doesn't have to be separate from any traditional exchanges. Doesn't mean decentralized exchange can be, you know, less user friendly. It can be user friendly, and it can be ease of use. All right, this is our short roadmap. What we're planning to work on, 2019 until 2020 and beyond. And please reach out to us and talk about each of them. We can give you some detailed explanation about each item here. And we have also tomorrow, let's see, we have tomorrow meetup at the Havre venue after Art of Steam at 5 o'clock. Please come, join us, and we will have free drinks. We will have some game and just talk and have fun. Thank you.